There are times when clients approach us with quite unusual things. So what we are doing right now is called Rattan Chandelier. Now, this one is a unique of its own kind. It's quite large. It's 5 feet with a diameter of 31 inches. So this chandelier was approached to us by one of our clients in Mombasa, which is around 500 kilometers from Nairobi. He requested that he wanted it to be woven, and then in between it should have some webs, just like what you're seeing that you're trying to do right now at the moment. So the shape of this chandelier looks like a sausage, but the only difference is that it will not have one bulb holder. It will have two. Because it is very large, it will be on the top and at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can be able to see properly, but that is exactly what will happen. So before we started weaving this chandelier, we had to buy 8mm round metal bar. We usually get it from our hardwares around here. So we bought that, and then the frameworks for inside, because so that at least it can be able to be strong enough, we had to weld several wires, just like you can see what our weaver is doing. You can be able to see some wires there. The only mistake we forgot is we were supposed to cover the wires, but anyway, no problem, because what we'll do is that we'll have it varnished. So first we bought the 8mm. Thereafter we had to weld 6mm, at least to recess on the frame so that it can make it as firm as possible, just like the way you're seeing how it is. Now, this is a very unique chandelier of its kind, because it will have two bulb holders because of the size, so that it can be able at least to accommodate the lighting much properly, so that it's able to be balanced properly. So the first lighting, the first holder will be on top, and then the other one will be at the bottom. But it will not be so much down on the edges, so it will be slightly raised, both on top and the bottom. So this kind of chandelier, we've never done this size. So I really wonder how big his house is how his house is going to be, because just like I said, it's a 5 foot with a diameter of 31. Yeah, so the only thing we forgot to do here is we were supposed to have covered the wires, so we forgot on that. But anyway, it will still come out better, because what we are going to do is we are going to varnish, and then we'll make sure at least the framework is not able to be seen that much. So welcome in, guys, to our YouTube channel. This is what we do for a living. We make rattan furniture and baskets. But for now, what you're seeing is a rattan chandelier with a kind of weaving called webs. Just like you can see what the weaver is doing. It's quite an intricate process, because you have to know how you're going to balance those patterns. That is one of the hardest things on this. So this kind of weaving is not normal. This is quite different, just like what we do on our chairs. Yeah, so this one takes around 5 working days to have this thing complete. So thank you, guys. I kindly urge you, please like and share our content. We are really trying to grow our social media pages, so that at least you can spread an awareness on what we do. So this is how it came out, but we'll share another video of how it really looked like when it's already varnished and recessed. So thank you so much, guys. I once welcome you to our video. This is the kind of art we do. So thanks so much, and God bless. See you in the next video.